Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Today I got a couple of jobs I'd like to share with you guys. The first one is about Biasi boiler service. Now this one, the flames electrodes need changing. And flame sensing probe, that's in a bad state too. I'm also going to change the burner seals and the insulation, it's a bit damaged. I'm also going to clean this Magna water filter. Boiler broken down in Birmingham or South Birmingham, or you need a boiler service or landlord's gas certificates, give us a call. We repair combination boilers, tank systems, water heaters, electric water heaters, glade hill, pulsar coil, domestic or commercial. Okay, in this second video, we got a problem with this vaillant. It's got an issue, it's a bit confused. We gotta change the circuit board on it.
From work, and those aren't it? So you can recommend it, mate.
Who from?
See, that's
I'll phone that one that is already recommended. He was the one that was saying £134 an hour plus the IT and then whatever parts as well.
Damn, I'm cheap. You just made me feel so cheap now.
Oi, mate, that's good though, mate, because people will come to you more. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, well that's what it's working 16 hours a day.
I know. He's probably doing 6 hours and he's made more than me. And now this final job. It's a rental property, one of those HMOs. Man, this is in a bad state. But let's have a look at the boiler. Looks like somebody's already had a go on it. The screws are out and the front panel's off. So let's dig deeper and let's see what's going on with it. I was told there's no heating or hot water. I see why they ain't got no hot water and heating. Guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling, and hopefully that'll keep you happy.
Make sure you subscribe and like, and don't forget to share this video.
Surprise, no board. I mean, what's all that, man? Damn, so many little insects, cockroaches. Now, why are these Biasis so attractive to all these insects? I don't get these insect problems on any other boilers, but apart from Biasi, they've got some sort of tasty soldier in there or something.